We have already added double jump and sprinting to our character. Let's make it feel more impactful now. So today we will be adding camera shake to our character. First, create a camera shake blueprint and tweak the values. I will put the respective values I found usable on screen when we come to that part for everyone. Next, in the character blueprint, play the shake on jump event or jump input. There you go. You can see the slide jump camera shake and FOB adjustment on the screen right now. Similarly, I made one more camera shake blueprint for sprinting. It is more of a bull run, but still it works and shows that the camera shake is working. Now the jumps feel a bit more jumpy and sprinting has that extra intensity for sure.